Fisher Gemini 3 upgrade. So this is the standard handle arm, and that one is the upgraded handle arm. Okay, we'll be testing the soda can and the metal steel drum using the upgraded handle arm. One 1.25 meters. 1.25 meters soda can. Next, metal steel drum. Three. Threshold is 3. 6, 7. 6, 7. Threshold. Okay, back to 3. 6. 3.42 meters. 3.42 meters. Metal steel drum. 6. 1. Okay, that's the air test, soda can, and metal steel drum. Okay mga ka-TH, so this is the standard handle or the stock handle of the Fisher Gemini 3. Length is 46.3 centimeter. And the other one is the upgraded version or the extended handle. Length is 69.5 centimeter. So this is the handle that we use during our test on this video. Next, we'll compare the results between the old depth value and the new depth value. So we have the soda can and the steel drum. So for the soda can, our new depth value is 1.25 meters, and the previous depth value is 1.0 meter depth. So the previous or the old depth value, you can refer on my previous YouTube video, Fisher Gemini 3 air test. So you can check the depth value for the soda can and the metal steel drum. Okay, going back. So soda can was 1.0 depth air test. So we can then compute for the depth percentage increase. So for the soda can, 1.25, our new depth value minus the old value, depth value 1.0 divided by 1.0 equals 0.25, and then multiply by 100%, and we will have the 25% depth increase for the soda can. And for the metal steel drum, so our new value for the depth is 3.42 meters, and then minus 2.74 meters. Again, you can double check on my previous YouTube video for the value of the metal steel drum air test. So we have the 2.74 meter depth divided by 2.74 meter equals 0.248, then multiply by 100%, and we will have 24.8% depth increase. And you can round it 24.8 to 25%. So looking at the results for the soda can and the steel drum, we have both the same 25% increase of depth. So that's the benefits of using the upgraded or the extended handle for the Fisher Gemini 3. Okay, that's all, and thanks for watching.